Let's talk about how the weekly bias is going to be for UJ this week. Let's first see the newses that we have. So tomorrow, Monday, we got core retail. Nice, not no news Monday. We got some nice news is coming. Industrial product, yellow folder, red folder, looking nice. Tuesday we got CPI, which is good. German geo-economic statement. And March we got BOJ policy rate, monetary policy rate, both for Japan, very good for USDJPY. And we got FOMC. Wednesday is going to be that manipulation, last of the manipulation day for weekly profile. So FOMC coming at Wednesday is really gonna tweak, I guess. And Thursday is just too much. Thursday we got JPY bank holiday, but we got FOMC in USD. We got GDP in NZC, unemployment rates, climate count, SNB press conference, monetary summary, GBP. So Thursday and Friday. So Thursday and Wednesday is looking pretty volatile and the driven. So previous week I was thinking that previous week news there was some CPI news. I was thinking that if we can have that, if we can break through this weekly order block, I can look to see price go higher, because I was seeing that interest rates in Japan is slowly pushing higher and United States USD is pushing lower. So I was like, because of this combination, I kind of think we do have a chance of pushing higher. If you look at the technical analysis way, we swept this low here and we did the market structure shift in the weekly basis here, and going into this monthly order block and coming back here is going to be kind of that coming back into equilibrium type of thing, which we are. So I still think my bias for the week, or let's say for this month, or getting the clear idea for the next month, is going to be completely depending on this order block of weekly order block and this monthly the weekly fair value gap. My whole understanding is, if we can either break through this or this, this order block, I am pretty much sure that if we can break through this order block, we're gonna see new highs. This buy stop is going to be, in my opinion, the most, or the low hanging fruit. And if we break through this, I can guess that we are definitely coming lower towards the sell side, depending on how we behave around this point of interests. But if I talk about tomorrow, what's we gonna see tomorrow? I'm not looking for such a wide range, because we are still stuck within the order block and the fair value gap. If I look in my consequences way, this is the weekly order block that we went in yesterday, previous week. It's a Monday already. So if I go to the 4 hour, what I want to see, internal manipulation, right? Which I see we're far away from, and you're not also forming any SMTs, but we have this SMT in the bigger time frame. So yesterday, if we can go push towards these highs, my bias will be a little bit bullish, until we take out this buy stop here. Until you take out this buy stop here. Okay, depending on how we also got this order block here, specifically this fair value gap is going to be my idea. There's two way of going, I guess. Okay, first we can come lower and then push higher, or we can do quite the opposite. You know, we can do quite the opposite, right? So depending on, I can say it's a little bit mixed bias, but because we get a buy stop, we get a fair value gap here for short-term perspective. If we go take out this, I will be not seeing anything. I'll be seeing either price come here or price go here. Either you swap this buy stop, either you go swap this buy stop, or come into this fair value gap. Okay, this is 4 hours. So once price either go into this or this, then I'll be looking for further confirmation to actually take a trade. But unless we go into either this and this, I'm not saying anything. But if I really talk about the weekly, I still think because of the interest rate changes, I think personally that price can go push to the upside, but will really depends on how we break through this or this. So not looking for too much wide range until we break through this. If we break through this or this, then I'll be more confident of getting a more broad idea. But right now I'm not thinking of it. Right now my focus will be on this 4 hour fair value gap and this 4 hour high. This is going to be that stop rate high for from my weekly order block, and this is going to be the 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, so I'm not overall looking for the overall week, but I'm guessing kind of a little bit of the Monday or maybe Tuesday how it's going to be. Okay, my solo focus will be on that stop rate high and then fair value gap, and I'll be more focused on as price goes on. With further confirmation, I'll be more precise of understanding where the week may want to go depending on the Wednesday and Thursday. Those I want to see the manipulation and the distribution of those newses can actually tell me that those 2 days like Wednesday and Thursday is actually going to tell me that if we're actually breaking through this order block and pushing higher, or we are actually breaking through this weekly fair value gap and coming lower. Okay, so until and unless those Wednesday and Thursday news pass by, I'll be solely focusing on internal structure like this, and we'll try to see what happens. So that's it for USDJPY.